It's probably like a dead. Oh my God!
My seatbelt locked. I'm locked in here. I'm locked in.
I'm about to pee myself. Oh my God! I'm gonna pee myself. I think a little came out though. Ron, give me Ron, oh my God! Ronald.
Give us some
Oh my God, Ron, give me some hands on that. Fuck. Oh my God.
That was so funny. I peed a little.
I did.
That's so gross.
Oh my God, there's a dead body in that shit. I saw the shape of the body. There's a dead animal in there. Ew.
Oh my God.
My fingers smell so bad.
It smells like asshole.
No! Get that away from me.
No, it
Get
smells
that
like
shit
asshole.
away from me.
It smells like dirty pussy, don't it?
Ew, Selena.
She had dirty pussy.
No, it's actually pretty clean.
Okay, that's good.
Oh God.
Yeah,
I don't know where it's at.
you know
Oh
Asian.
my
You know Asian.
Oh my God, there's fucking bugs on my hand. Oh my God. I don't have it.
Oh.
Ew. Oh my God, there's little bugs in my hand.
Maggot.
Oh my God.
The fuck? What's that smell? Fucking rectum?
Thank you. That's enough. That's enough.
Oh my God.
Sorry. Put that shit over there.
It smells like somebody's burning something.
Someone's burning something, alright.
Oh my God.
Oh God.